Hello, and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics Workshop with Dr. Balami Hiwichai. Today, we are going to look at the frequency breakdown function in the BNC. When you type a complicated search term in the BNC, you might want to check which words it will get. This function can show the list of words from your search term. So, let's get started. First, log on to the BNC, then type a search term. Let's type flood of followed by any noun. And we'll use this search term and see if this will bring us what we are looking for. And then click on Start Query. Now if you go to the drop-down menu right here, you can see the frequency breakdown option. So let's click on it and go. On this page, you will see the list of nouns that follow flood of and their frequencies. A lot of these are metaphors as they are not water, yet they are referred to as if they are uncontrollable large mass of water. If you click on the word, you can see more context. This function can present what your search term brings you, so you can check if your search term is the right one. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.